In this lesson, you will duplicate an existing view and orient it to a section view in order to create an isometric detail view. You will use a view template to isolate the mechanical components so that you can annotate the detail components. Click the menu browser and select Open. And from the Training Files Imperial Construction Documentation folder, open the file RME Docs Detailing 03. Let's prepare the view. In the project browser, under Documentation HVAC Duct 3D Views, right-click 3D Duct and Equipment and move to Duplicate View and click Duplicate. Then right-click the copy and click Rename and type Typical Makeup Air Isometric Detail and click OK. Right-click the view cube and click Orient to View and then move to Sections and click Typical Makeup Air. Zoom in to view the section and then select the section box and drag the top grip down so that the section includes only the first floor. Then move your cursor over the view cube and click Home, and then click the corner where the top, back, and left sides converge and press Escape. Next, we'll apply a view template. In the project browser, right-click Typical Makeup Air Isometric Detail and click Apply View Template. In the Apply View Template dialog, under Names, select 3D HVAC ISO and click OK. This isolates the mechanical components by turning off the architectural components. Next, select the long rectangular duct at the rear and right-click and move to Hide in View and click Elements. We're hiding this duct because it's not part of the detail being created. Next, we'll annotate the view. Click the Annotate tab and from the text panel, click Text. Then on the leader panel, click Two Segments. Then, to place the label, click on the long rectangular duct to place the leader. Then, move the cursor down and to the left and click to specify the second leader point, and then move the cursor to the left and click to specify the text insertion point. Then type Makeup Air Duct from AHU1. Then click Modify. Using the same method, label the connecting duct 8x8 Makeup Air to Return Plenum Provide Motorized Damper Typical as shown. Select the text for the 8x8 duct and drag the controls to resize the text box as shown. Then, with the text still selected, on the alignment panel, under Horizontal, click Right. Then, complete the text labels as shown. To rotate and reposition a text label, use the Rotate and Drag controls. Next, we'll modify the view. From the View control bar, click Show Crop Region and zoom out so you can see the crop region. And then click on the crop region and use the drag controls to position the boundaries around the detail as shown. Then, back on the View control bar, click Hide Crop Region and then click Crop View. Next, we'll place the view on a sheet. In the project browser, under Sheets, double-click M601 Then drag the new isometric view from the project browser onto the sheet as shown. With the viewport still selected, on the element panel under Viewport, click the drop-down and select Viewport Square. Then clear the selection and close the file without saving it, as the next lesson will provide its own training file, and that concludes this lesson.